Hi everyone. I recently started using the Insta360. Actually, it's the X4 Air. And I want to understand how different settings in the Insta Studio change the recorded footage. So what I'm doing is I'm testing stabilisation and image settings. Stabilisation to me is it changes, or different settings change how the ride will feel, and image setting will have an impact how the footage looks. To do that, I chose two locations. One is here on the Val de Terres, and later I'm going to Rockland Bay, west coast of Guernsey. I also will share with you later in the clip what I decided to use. This is the first ride without any stabilisation. For me, slightly harder on the eye. Picture feels busy. I would say actually quite nervous. It is realistic, but not very smooth. I would probably not use this, especially for longer rides. Here we're testing the directional lock. Horizon is fixed. It's smoother, it's calmer, but something feels a bit off. It's like I want to lean with the bike going around corners. Next I'm testing tilt recovery. It starts looking a bit more natural, feels more stabilized, not forced, and the whole movement of the ride is more realistic. A bit more comfortable to watch, and the balance between smoothness and realism, in my view, is better. Last test, jitter restoration. For me, this one feels like the best balance so far. Smoother, easy on the eye, especially on when you watch longer clips, and also the closest how I actually experienced the ride. No color optimization. Feels a bit less engaging visually. Clean, to me not very exciting, but a good reference point. Here we have Clarity Plus. For me it gives the footage a more technical look, feels cleaner, maybe more precise, and slightly less soft than the previous setting. Here we have Color Plus. Colors slightly richer, more vibrant. I think it gives the footage a more cinematic look, and it looks less flat and more alive. Last test, Motion ND. The footage looks slightly smoother. The motion feels more blended. For me, this gives the footage a calmer rhythm. Right, after trying all of these different settings, I personally feel like that jitter restoration provides the best balance for stabilization. In relation to image, personally I prefer Color Plus, and Motion ND works nicely in more open scenic sections. Yes, of course I may change it depending on the next ride and what works best. I hope you enjoyed coming along for this little settings test. I'm still learning the Insta360 myself. Only started using it a couple of weeks ago. So if you are using it, I would be very interested to hear what works for you. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next ride.